There are a number of ways that machine learning can help grow your business. From helping you to improve sales, marketing, HR, content creation, personalized promotions, and so much more, it's a good idea to get your head around the basics of machine learning. So in this video, we'll cover how a Python-based neural network can help you reach your business goals. But what is machine learning exactly? It's the use of computer systems that are able to learn and adapt without following obvious instructions. This is done through using algorithms to analyze and draw conclusions from patterns found in data. In simpler terms, it looks at existing data to help predict data in the future, like sales and customer interactions on your website. In this video, we'll focus on how the programming language Python can be used for machine learning. Python is a free programming language that is approachable for beginners. Because of its ability to process raw data, it can be used alongside a machine learning library tool to give you solutions in web development, data analysis, and automation. If that sounds confusing, don't worry. We're going to break it down and show you how you can adopt machine learning into your business. Step 1 is to narrow down what ways you can benefit. Choose a specific business problem or area where a tool like Python can bring you tangible value. This may be wanting to better predict sales in the future, predict customer behavior, or improve HR processes. Step 2 is to establish a data strategy tailored to your specific needs. This involves figuring out the types of data you'll need, which will depend on the goal you set up in step 1. This might mean downloading data reports from your website or Meta Ads Manager. The third and final step is to select the appropriate tools for implementing Python. This includes using a machine learning library like TensorFlow, scikit-learn, or PyTorch to output results. Let's look at some examples. If you're struggling with customer service, a Python-based neural network can create a chatbot that never sleeps, always able to answer questions or take orders. It can also help you to know what your customers want before they do, by analyzing customer reviews or social media to spot trends. Say you run a boutique. A Python-based neural network can help you sift through customer feedback to find out that they're longing for vintage denim jackets. Stock up on those, and you're not just meeting demand, you're anticipating it. The AI can also be your best friend in forecasting sales by feeding historical sales data into a machine learning model. You can predict busy periods, ensuring you're fully stocked and staffed. Lastly, let's not forget about marketing. Personalization is key. With Python AI, you can tailor your email marketing campaigns so they speak directly to the customer's interests. John loves sci-fi. Send him a promo for the latest sci-fi novels in your bookstore. Mary's into gardening. How about a newsletter featuring your new range of organic seeds? There you have it. Using Python AI in your small business isn't about reinventing the wheel. It's about making the wheel smoother and faster. Whether it's through enhancing customer service, getting insights into trends, optimizing your operations, or personalizing your marketing, the possibilities are endless. And the best part, there are tons of resources and communities out there to help you get started. In summary, Python-based machine learning tools can empower small businesses to learn more about customer behavior, to predict future sales and customer interactions, to provide personalized marketing tactics in real time.